All right, here we go, folks. We got 223 Hornady. These are just soft points. That's it. Nothing much to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take a shot, do a group at 100 yards, and then we're going to back it out to 200 yards and see what the elevation change is on these bullets. So y'all stick around and see how it goes. Camera focus is doing this thing. See how it goes down.
Can't remember if these are sighted in for the herders or if I adjusted for these, the Hornadies. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm just looking at the group right now. So let's just see what we got. Bore shot. There we go. We got the two touching. We're gonna go ahead and back it out to 200 and see how much it drops. I'm gonna be aiming at the same spot that I'm aiming, so point of aim will be the same at 200. I'm not gonna make any adjustments to this, so we can actually see the difference right now. All right, here we go. We're about 200 yards out. We're going to see what the elevation difference is with the Hornady soft points, 223. Let's see what we get. Not sure the wind's going to knock it off much. Probably will. Shooting, pushing it over to the right a little bit, but we'll see. Hopefully it shouldn't affect the elevation. But there we go, 3-shot group. It's not the greatest group, but it definitely gets the point across on the elevation difference. We did not drop, we went up. All right, folks, here we go. Wind was horrible by no means, but there was our shots right there at 100 yards. And then same point of aim, no adjustments to the scope. Aiming here. We've got roughly about a 3-inch. Yeah, that's a 6-inch target. About a 3-inch raise out to roughly 200, give or take. That's just the wind was terrible. I mean, might be a little bit less than that, going up, but I mean, they're all generally the same height. But it was just out there that wind was definitely brutal. But there we go, and there you are. That's roughly with the Hornady soft points. Look at about a 2.5, 3-inch lift from 100 to 200. Now, if that's what it says in ballistics, I don't know. I'll have to look that up. But
okay, here's something I want to add. We backed it out to 200 yards, and we had about 2.5 to 3-inch rise on it. And on the ballistics on their website, these should have roughly, if it's zeroed at 100, it should drop about 2.9 at 200. So we basically went the opposite direction. Now again, I'm not sure, that's if being run through a Wylde barrel, if that's got something to do with it or not. If their ballistics I'm pretty sure are going to be on a 223 barrel itself. So that might be the reason why we had lift instead of drop. I'm pretty sure shooting into the wind, I wouldn't think it would have that much of a difference, but I mean, hell, you never know. So back with the show.
Right up here somewhere saying yes or no. He's wrong. But there you go. That's it.